But hopefully, by now, the public understands that hindi ICI yung magpapakulong. No? We are part of the legal process. Ours, by EO 94, we help in the investigation, prepare cases so that we can refer them to the Ombudsman, and the Ombudsman reviews them for filing. Now, with that said, what ICI needs now is a strong team to go over boxes of documents. You know, I think you must have seen boxes being delivered here. So they have to now be processed so that they can be looked into individually, and who were the people responsible for whatever is the finding in those cases. We are very appreciative of the support given to us by PNP AFP, because they provided some 64 ground investigation teams to ICI, which ICI does not have. Up to today, I think wala pang nagsusweldo dyan sa mga volunteers dito. Now, okay, so that's the kind of work that is urgently needed by ICI. In addition to the urgency of both houses passing the new ICI version.